Welcome to the Trader's Toolbox series and your guide to mastering the tools that shape the market. Right now you're looking at a Thinkorswim layout filled with many powerful indicators and studies, each designed to give traders an edge. In each episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of these and many other game-changing tools and studies. We'll zoom in, strip away the noise, and show you exactly why so many pros use these tools, why it should matter to you, and how you can use them to make smarter trades. Let's begin your journey on your way to greater profits as we join the $1 Million Margin Club and their introduction to today's tool. The seller's volume indicator reveals the intensity of selling pressure within each candle by estimating the volume driven by sellers. This helps traders quickly recognize when seller dominance is increasing, particularly when it exceeds the previous candle's selling volume. Built for fast-paced setups like one-minute scalping, it pinpoints potential breakdowns, confirms trend reversals, and provides real-time insight into market sentiment with clear visual feedback. With 4 labels, the indicator delivers essential information about volume to help gauge the strength of bearish pressure. First, it shows the total volume of current candle's price action, confirming the overall interest in selling the stock. Next, a bright red label shows the portion of the previous candle's volume attributed to seller activity. Similarly, the third label displays the seller's volume for the current candle. The final label reflects the increasing or decreasing percentage of seller strength within the total volume of the bar. The seller's volume indicator also includes a visual volume meter, making it easy to spot seller strength and see whether the pressure is brief or sustained. As part of the label's features, the sell volume label changes from red to blue when the current seller's volume is greater. At the same time, an audio alert sounds that the seller's volume is greater than it was in the previous bar. The seller volume formulas capture the intensity of selling pressure and use it to trigger visual and audio alerts, giving traders an edge when spotting bearish setups. By isolating seller volume and comparing it to previous activity, the seller's volume indicator gives traders a sharper edge in identifying shifts in downward momentum. Whether confirming strong selling pressure or revealing weakness in the move, it adds a level of clarity that raw volume alone often misses. This indicator, along with other great indicators, studies, tools and strategy books, are part of the Trader Toolbox series. No matter where you are in your journey, this series, along with their groundbreaking guidebooks designed by professional traders, has been created to help beginner and seasoned traders alike reach the next level of profitability and are available exclusively at the $1 Million Margin Club. Visit our website, level up your trading, and join the profitable traders at the $1 Million Margin Club.